My name's McNeil, I work for Citizens Advice Cymru, and I've been attending a workshop today on the legislative process for the Renting Homes Bill. Today we learned about the process of how it's going to go through the Assembly, how important stage 1 is in terms of the committee and the evidence report that they'll be presenting later to plenary, and how that will influence the different AMs and their tabling of amendments. So it was really clear in terms of telling us how it worked in practice, as well as the kind of, this is when you might want to talk to your specific AM to influence how things change. I guess it re-emphasised about how to submit evidence, so making sure that you're really concise and you're really on the money with what you're saying, so not waffling or going on a tangent. Also emphasising the diversity of the responses you're going to get and the role that the Assembly support staff have in terms of summarising for the AMs to understand what's going on. What else? And the range of people who are likely to be responding in terms of their level of knowledge of how the Assembly works. Making sure it's short and sharp and relevant to what their experience is. So not to be posing issues that are perhaps more to do with their morals or their social look on life. Because I think that can, especially sometimes for volunteers, that can be, they'll go on tangents.